The City of Oshkosh's Sidewalk Rehabilitation Program is an annual program designed to help maintain sidewalks for pedestrian travel and to repair driveway approaches or aprons. The City of Oshkosh has been divided into areas to cover the entire city in approximately a 10-year cycle to provide a consistent and orderly review of sidewalks, driveway approaches, and wheelchair ramps. There are 6 different major criteria that the City of Oshkosh uses in conjunction with the Americans with Disabilities Act, or the ADA, to determine if sidewalks need to be replaced. The first criteria is cracking. Even a single hairline crack means the integrity of the sidewalk square has been compromised. The use of a sealer or caulk will not provide the necessary strength to withstand the longevity of another rehab cycle. Therefore, removal and replacement is the only option to fix cracked sidewalks. The second criteria, and maybe the easiest to visualize, is deflection of a ½ inch or more. This creates a tripping hazard. The city has made calibrated gauges of a ½ inch, and anything greater than a ½ inch is marked for replacement. The third criteria is a poor surface condition. This is the most difficult one to understand because citizens sometimes think that we are just doing the square because it doesn't look good. Unfortunately, once the surface has worn off and the aggregate is showing, the sidewalk square has made it through its useful life. Water and salt can get into the concrete and break it down faster. Additionally, the pitted surface can make it difficult for someone with a walker or wheelchair to use. The fourth criteria is walk that is misaligned or not installed on the right-of-way. The City of Oshkosh Municipal Code requires that the back of the sidewalk, or the side closest to the property, be installed on the right-of-way. There are instances where in the past trees, power poles, and other obstacles have been installed, which prohibited this. Now that the objects have been removed, the sidewalk can get installed back on the right-of-way. The fifth criteria is walk that is raised or settled. Raised or settled walk can create issues with standing water, which makes the sidewalk more difficult to use. Additionally, this water tends to freeze in winter, making the sidewalk impassable. The sixth criteria is excessive cross slope. Cross slope is the difference in elevation between the front and the back of sidewalk. ADA allows for a maximum cross slope of 2% or 1/4 inch per foot. A 1/4 inch per foot equates to 1¼ inches of fall over the width of the sidewalk. Instead of full removal and replacement, mudjacking may be allowed if the sidewalk is not cracked or does not have a poor surface condition. This option needs to be coordinated with the sidewalk inspector, as there are other criteria that also need to be considered before mudjacking will be allowed. Driveway approaches, or aprons, have been looked at under this program since 2013. The City of Oshkosh uses the State of Wisconsin Pavement Surface Evaluation and Rating, or the PSA rating, to rate driveway approaches on a scale of 1 to 10, with 1 being failed to 10 being excellent like new. Any apron that gets rated a 3 or less gets replaced under this program. Aprons are not typically used by pedestrian travel, but as they are connections to the street, pedestrians may traverse over them, which is why they are evaluated and replaced when necessary. Public entities, such as municipal governments, are required to construct facilities in accordance with ADA standards. These standards apply to all new construction. ADA also requires public entities that retrofit or reconstruct public facilities to comply with these standards to ensure equal access. These requirements include sidewalks. Any non-compliant sidewalks must be upgraded to meet current standards. If you have questions or want more information, you can look at the city's website or call the Department of Public Works Engineering Division at 920-236-5065.